Farmers in Ukraine try to plant crops as the war rages around them. The cost of both bread and corn already higher. Wheat prices up 5% today alone, up nearly 40% since the invasion began last month. The surge marks wheat's largest quarterly gain in 15 years. And the price of corn up more than 15% in the past month. CNBC's Seema Modi reports on the potential impact these high prices could have here at home.
Higher wheat prices should make farmers like Nicole Berg, the owner of this 21,000-acre farm in Washington, feel rich. But the costs of fuel and fertilizer are eating into profits.
The issue we're having right now is that input costs are going up even more than the price of wheat.
Nicole, like many farmers, is also constrained by the agriculture equipment market, where supply chain issues continue to delay orders of key machinery needed to plant and harvest.
We have to put a deposit down, so I have money going out, but I can't even get the drill until possibly the fall of 2024.
Last month, John Deere said order books for the upcoming year are mostly full. With planting season of spring wheat just weeks away, farmers in states like Montana, North Dakota, and Minnesota are faced with a tough decision. Should they plant more crop, not knowing whether prices will hold up?
Is it worth the risk? Prices are very high now, but what if the Ukraine crisis suddenly evaporates? Doesn't look like that. Well, then they could be left holding the bag.
Unlike other countries like China that have been stockpiling wheat and other crops, the production of wheat in the U.S. has steadily declined in recent years, down 35% from its recent peak. Dwindling supply as the war continues, experts say. A crisis like this with a potential seismic level loss of wheat supplies globally will impact low-income consumers the most.
In places like the United States, we'll draw down the reserves that people have and are owning, and we will have to run the price up high enough to reduce demand somewhat.
Well, as of now, here in the U.S., no signs of a shortage, but Americans continue to see even higher prices at the grocery store. Cereal is 15% more expensive than a year ago. Bread is higher by 10%. A number of shoppers we spoke to say if prices continue to rise, they will start to cut back. Shep?
Seema Modi, thanks so much.